just got a new subscriber, boom. So it's like when you put in your work and you invest and you do what you gotta do, it's like you're going to see progress. Hey everybody, welcome back to the So Pretty MB channel. This is So Pretty MB. Not sure how you guys found my page, but make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and ring the bell notification so that you're notified anytime that I post. This page is designed to uplift, entertain, and inspire. This video is pretty much a super informative video for anybody that is looking to either start YouTube, vlogging, filming, any content creators. Today I have a mobile, let me read it. I'm gonna read exactly what it says so you guys can get it too. This is my first time using this. It's called Movo VSK3 Vlogging Wireless Kit for iPhones. A lot of times people, they don't have cameras. A lot of times people just might have an extra phone lying around. So, you know, you get content that way. This video is for you guys that are beginning and still trying to figure out how can I get the perfect angle? Like, how could I possibly, like, what equipment do I need? Startup equipment do I need in order to kind of improve my quality of work, my quality of content that I'm putting out so that you can reach those goals that you set out for yourself. So today we're unboxing, we're setting this up, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it looks like. I'm testing it out. This is my first time working with this company, so fingers crossed. I got this off of Amazon. It came all together like this. I got this off of Amazon. It was overnight shipping. I ordered it, and I'm going to have everything in the description below. Make sure you guys click that and get one too so we can all at least try it. So we're going to go ahead and get started. This is the Smart Grip right here. And all of this came in one box. But this is the Smart Grip. And it is great for photography, filmmaking, vlogging, journalism, and more. Compatible with virtually any smartphone. It has a 360-degree swivel head and integrated bubble levels. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I'm excited because this is like an investment. That's how I look at this. This is what it looks like. It's kind of has a little weight to it. Has a weight to it. Oh, and look at it. It has the bubbles. You see it? The measuring bubbles. I love that. That's fancy. It's a little heavy. You can hurt somebody with it. All right, we're going to go ahead and open up our LED light next. Altogether, I paid about 60 bucks for everything. This is the LED light. I already opened this because I was like, what is this? What is in this box? It had no label, no nothing. All right, this is the grip. This is the tripod. It's very small, but it has a great grip on it. Like, it's like perfect for my hand. You can't even see it. I love how compact it is. I wish it was, let's just see, instead of like saying like, okay, I wish it was a little bit longer, let's put it all together and let's just see, because my biggest concern, and this might be one of yours too, the weight of my iPhone. I get my content off of an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Of an iPhone 14 Pro Max. And so basically it's like these are extremely heavy. I need a tripod that's gonna be able to hold the weight of it, and it's not gonna feel way too much like in my hand. I can handle a little weight, but just not too much. And we're gonna go ahead and open this. I hate those little circular tabs because I never open the box up properly. God forbid if I need this in this bag. Okay. These are the microphones. So with the microphones, it's two wireless microphones, 2.4 gigahertz, I'm assuming. Compatible with most iOS devices. It comes, let's see, a wireless mini DI. Okay, you can clip it on your shirt and stuff. All right, let's see. This is their logo, Movo creators wanted. It's a very nice website. I feel like that's definitely like a good company you can try to like partner with, especially for people that are looking to kind of create more and do more. Because each year it's like you got to look at it like, I'm going to invest in my business, I'm going to invest in myself, I'm going to invest in my craft. And I look at this as a little investment, you know what I'm saying? Like just trying to improve the quality of content that I put out. I'm all for it. So I'm going to try to go ahead and put all this stuff together and try to connect the mic. Oh, I see it's right there. I'm going to leave it. This is the one that goes directly in your phone. And then this is the one that clips on. I know it has like a noise cancellation system. Let's try to turn it on. It is on. Oh, it's behind me. Okay. Bluetooth, and I'm going to, it's M1. It's already flashing. So what I did was I turned on the power button, and it's already flashing, and it says M1 down here. Oops. It has M1 down here, so I'm going to go ahead and click it. It might say something different for you, and you can charge it. It's the charging part down there, and it did come with the cord as well, like a not a USB, but USB-C. Let's go ahead and put everything else up. While this is trying to connect, I want to go ahead and put everything else together. Let's look at this and see what this is first. Oh, yeah, this is the charger for the microphones. Okay, so this is the bottom. Okay, so lefty loosey, righty tighty is what locks it into place. Righty tighty, there is a swivel up here that you can turn to kind of like turn it this way or turn it that way to loosen it up. This is the bottom of it right here. So we're gonna go ahead and screw in. This is nice, y'all. I love it. I love how like it feels heavy duty. Even though I only paid like 60 something bucks for it, it feels very like, it feels nice. It feels nice. All right, so let's see. Because my phone's a little wide. I had to open it up. All right, so it's nice and snug in there. Okay, I like to film like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it up as much as I can. Not too tight because we don't wanna break it. And like I said, my goal is to make sure that like the weight of my phone is being supported with the tripod. So we're gonna go ahead and see. I'm trying to get I wanna get the LED light attached as well. So give me a second because I gotta see how that goes. It's very small and minute, very small. I'm gonna put it right here. That's how it looks. I like that. It's very compact. I love how compact it is compared to like my head. Okay, but first let's just try to see how we can connect. All right, this is the microphone. So I guess if you can't Bluetooth it to that extent, I'm gonna go ahead and unlock my phone. I'm gonna connect it. It's on there. So it's on. So it's automatically doing it right now. I'm gonna try and I really want to try to get the LED light on there. So let's go ahead and just set this up for right now, because I'm probably gonna have to read the instructions really fast, and we just gonna go from there. Hopefully you guys can see that. There we go. And then this is what it looks like on this side. That's the charger on off button. So I'm gonna show you guys the settings. So this is high, low, medium, high. I love that because it's like, you don't want like this huge gigantic light just sitting around. Sliding it in. Oh, okay, so we slide it in. So this is how it works. So, so let me cut it off right now because it's kind of hurting my eyes a little bit. I love that. So we're gonna slide it in the front. Yay, I love this. And then we're gonna screw it down. This is so easy to put together. Okay, it is on. I have my microphone in, and I love the little measurement bubbles. Okay, this is what it looks like just by itself. I love that. So let's look and see what it looks like. Okay, this is it. This is it. Oh, I love this. Matter of fact, let me cut on the light. I don't think it's gonna make a difference because I already have my light on. Oh, it does. It makes it very clear. Okay, cool. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna test this out myself. Let me turn all this off. I love how small and compact this is. I feel like this can fit inside of a purse. Just in case you guys want to look at it. Yeah. I love that. And to open up the phone, you just screw it off, take it out. And then you have, it's not that big, it's not that long. I love that. I'm gonna put it in right now because I kind of want to play with it a little bit more. When I started my YouTube channel, I started it last March. I started my YouTube last March and I had 0 followers, 0 subscribers. Now I have a little over 130. And I have over 2,000 views, and engagements are crazy, everything like that. This is with me doing the bare minimum. So for those that are looking for an opportunity to say like, okay, this is what I want to do. Like I've been thinking about this for a while. Like at a certain point in time, doing YouTube was just a thought for me. I didn't look at it as an opportunity like, I can't do it. It's too hard. Like just how the same way how y'all could look up lyrics, y'all could look up hair, y'all could look up wigs, whatever, colognes or perfumes, whoever you are, whatever the audience is geared to, right? Whatever you do, you got to realize that you have to be fully committed and actually have to put in 100% of the work in order to be able to really see it. Like if I sit here and keep dragging my feet, not promoting, not connecting with people, not networking, not doing anything that I'm supposed to be doing, my YouTube will never grow. If I don't upgrade my equipment, my YouTube will never grow. Like using this, I feel like this is this nice small investment. This is something that I can constantly use. And these pieces have lifetime warranties on them. So I like that. The fact that I automatically have a noise cancellation microphone, and I also have another one here that I can clip on so that we can have better conversations. You get that nice crisp effect. There are so many videos that I've looked back on and I was just like, dang, like I really wish I had a microphone. I really wish I would have just took the $50 and just get something that I feel like would make a difference in the quality of content that I put out. Ever since I started my YouTube channel, what I love about it the most is the fact that I have creative freedom. I'm able to literally get as much content as I want and turn it into something that can either entertain, inspire, or influence at a certain point in time. So regardless whether you like me, whether you don't, or whatever the situation may be, however you ended up here, it's the fact that you're here. And you're still here in this video at this moment. So I love the idea of networking. I love the idea of meeting other YouTube girlies or just the guys. Like I'm being exposed to so much just being a part of the YouTube community now. And I see progress. I don't have to have 1 million subscribers in order to have success on my channel. I am moving at my own pace. I'm doing what I want to do. And the girls that get it, they get it. The ones that don't, they won't. And I just enjoy doing this myself because it's a great hobby and I get to keep whatever, I get to keep everything forever. And just this now, I just got a new subscriber. Boom. So it's like when you put in your work and you invest and you do what you got to do, it's like you're going to see progress. Actually sit down and come up with a schedule, come up with a schedule to post. Find out what your niche is. That was my biggest issue. I was just posting anything. I was posting fish crying. Like that's, you know what I'm saying? So it's like once you find your audience, you find out who's watching, you find out what's going on, you continue to be yourself and you put out whatever you want. Be yourself, because that's what I'm gonna do. I'm not about to sit here and try to copy nobody else because people pick up on that. I notice that a lot. Like when I watch other influencers and I'm like, this sounds just like this person, or this sounds exactly like the other person, blah, blah, blah. But I know certain times people get ideas from other people, but like just be you as much as you possibly can, because it's like everyone else is taken and it's just better that way. I wasn't praying. I'm not like a crazy spiritual person or crazy religious, but it's like I do take God with me wherever I go. And anytime that I decide that I want to put in work or invest myself or put my name on something, I want to make sure it's the very best. I want to make sure that people actually look at it and they're like, oh wow, that's good. She took her time with that. Like she didn't rush it. She did exactly what she was supposed to do. Love it. She was herself. Like one thing that I struggle with YouTube is having those sporadic moments where I just want to be private, when I just literally like I don't want to post. I don't want to get content. I don't want to show you guys what I did or what I got. And that's just a part of the process as well, as far as finding your niche, finding out exactly what it is that finding out exactly what it is that makes your channel you, that makes it unique and special and different. So hopefully this video is very informative. I'm going to put all the I'm going to put the Amazon link in my bio. Y'all, this so far so good. I'm gonna come back with a review and let you guys know how it goes. I'm going to go ahead and from now on I'm going to be getting my content this way. So you guys let me know what the improvements are, or just the experience. Just let me know your experience altogether. I love interacting with you guys. And yeah, So Pretty Envy is out. Make sure you guys go ahead and purchase the Movo VSK wireless vlogging kit for your iPhone so you can go ahead and have better quality content for your channel. This is me testing out the Movo VSK3 wireless vlogging kit for your iPhone. I have my setting for my brightness on high right now. My microphone is plugged in. I'm having it sit right in front of me. It's on the tripod. The weight of the iPhone 14 is pretty efficient for it. I'm not sure if I sound different. I'm going to take a look and listen. Well, once I go back and review everything, I'm going to like tell the difference between like when I use my AirPods versus like when I use this. So I have my microphone plugged in. Everything is good to go. We're going to see what it looks like on a medium to low setting. So this is low. This is like regular room light, and then this with it. And it still looks great. I'm going to grab it. I like it with the low. You can, let me look at it with the high. Not with the high, but the medium. This is medium. I feel like it gets literally everything. You really get all the details. You see, I did look at my mustache, my makeup. I love it. And then high, once again. I love it. Oh my gosh, this makes vlogging so much more easier versus like constantly holding a phone like this. Like I was doing this the whole time. Like I look crazy. Now I can just do like this. And that grip is at first the little grip that came inside this box right here. At first I was like, this grip is not big enough. It's not long enough. It's just not, it's too tiny, but I like it. I can't wait to hear how I sound just to make like all of my videos just way more crisp. The quality of it, like I love it. I love it. You can see my wig line. I love it. All right, make sure you guys go get one. All right, So Pretty MB, I'm out now. I'm out. I just wanted to show you guys like what it looked like, what it sounded like, just give you guys the opportunity to kind of like see what it was. Yeah, go get you one of those. Link in the bio below. I don't know, I'm getting home. I've been sipping on stuff. Shit ain't got big on you.